Okay guys, welcome to NOmadness Reactions. We're going to be doing a series on restoring a 1963 Mark Twain boat. Needs a lot of work. It's in dirty condition. Seats are in pretty good condition. They just need to be cleaned. It's gonna need a lot of work. This is the bimini cover. Needs to be cleaned. There's no rips in it. No problems with the poles. It's gonna be a fun project. A fun fishing boat. Well, it just needs a good cleaning, and it's gonna be pretty warm.
Dude, look at the blue.
I know. Look at how good the seats are.
I know.
Like there's no rips in them. It's got that marine teal.
I like that.
We can do
I like that 60s look.
yeah, this will be really nice when it's redone. You got the bimini cover, but that's in pretty good shape, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Oh,
Probably
it's
not.
cracked. Nope, we just order a new one. I would order it in this teal, so it looks really cool. It'll look really retro. So what's this? Just some padded seats. Bet you there's mouse houses in there. Ah. Oh,
Just a
coolers.
cooler.
They're coolers.
Ooh, mouse.
Shut up.
Just kidding.
Look at that, Mark Twain. Why does it say 78? Or does that say 18?
18 foot.
Oh, 18 foot.
Look at this. It's got a light and shit.
Oh yeah, it goes in there. Goes in there.
It's got all kinds of shit in here.
I guess you did good, honey. 200 bucks.
Dude, I got skis and vests. And
Skis and-
another prop. Those props are like 200 bucks.
Really?
Yeah.
How did the lights work on the brakes of the trailer?
You know, if they're all... I have to get a...
Yeah, you can rewire all that. That's easy. Not too bad for a $200 fishing boat. Right?
Next time you see it, it will be all clean.
Yeah, because as soon as it hits 60-some degrees, you can
Oh,
take it to
yeah.
the spray wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to document the whole revival of the boat. The SS NOmadness.
Yeah, there you go.
It is.
SS NOmadness.
It's the SS NOmadness.
1963.
Yeah. It's an 18-foot, nice
18
fishing
foot.
boat. It's in really good shape.
120 engine. 120 horse.
All right. I mean, the body's in really good shape. There's not even a ding in anything. That's just dirt. Fire and dirt off on it.
Just needs a new gel coat.
Oh yeah, for sure. We'll have fun redoing this thing.
It needs a new, whatever this thing, a jack.
Yeah. Not too bad.
It's pretty straight.
I love it. It's got the teal everywhere. We just got to clean this bad boy up. I like it because it's the white and teal. That's why I didn't.
You can actually paint this teal too. Keep this
Nah.
white.
I like the white. It looks clean. Wonder if the horn works.
Look at that.
Huh?
I don't have no idea.
It is dirty.
Show is.
All right, good times ahead. This is easier than the golf cart.
I got skis. Look at that.
He did. He got skis. Look.
This is I don't know what's that. I think it might be a fish finder.
Even the indoor-outdoor carpeting is pretty decent.
But this, look at this. This is a antenna.
What? Oh yeah, that's why I said there's no. Cool. What's this? Why they do that?
Where do you put the gas?
Back by the engine, I'm assuming.
Where?
Maybe you should ask those questions before you left.
You probably didn't know. Look at this. You can put a little motor in here.
Yeah.
Where do you put the gas?
I'm assuming it's something that will come, something that will be revealed when we wash it.
Yeah, and get all this shit out of there.
Yeah. All right then. What am I stepping in? Oh, just moss. I can't believe it came with a boat trailer. Jesus.
This
200,
actually looked pretty good, man. With the tires.
200 bucks. Got a boat trailer and all.
I know, right?
That's
It just
crazy.
needs a good washing.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, we'll keep you guys up to date.
Yep.